Now we begin the second phase of our head masterclass, where we add more detail to all the face anatomy and the upper body. Now to add some more detail to the cheeks section, in this area here, I will add some cheek muscle. So the shape I need to use again is the sphere. I tend to use the sphere a lot in the early point of making a head. Squash the sphere using the form again into this sort of shape. And then make it the right size of the top part of the cheekbone and soft blend it using our soft blend and go around the edge of the face where the ear and the indentation of the skull are and place the first edit of the cheek. And then using the exact same edit, I just put another one beside it just to blend it a little bit nicer towards the nose. Now, using the sphere, I will flatten it to get as flat as I can shape with the sphere and turn round off the cheek, climbing on the nose like that. There is a muscle that goes on the side of the nose under the eye that is around here. Then I'm just moving the nose a bit, always sort of adjust and modify as you go. It's not because you put something once that you can't adjust it again. The whole process of sculpture is moving and removing your edits till you're happy, or at least this phase of it. So now the top part of the cheek muscle I've bulked up, and I can then get the cylinder shape and flatten it a little. And now, to emphasize the cheekbone, I will do a cut under that soft addition that we did to the cheek. It's nice to see the cuts in full sharpness first and then soft blend to help you make that sculptural decision. And I'm just moving my hand till I get the right shape. I place a cut. No, it's a little bit too deep. Undo. Try again. And move my hand. Yes, that's a little bit better. Use the other end of the cylinder to do the return of the cheekbone again. So I used one end of the edge of the cylinder base and the other end to do that sort of S shape. The base with soft blend on acts as a very gentle push tool that I use to just squash the cheek a little. And then I'm still moving this little muscle around. It's really just supposed to take that curve of the cheek and have a nice rounded effect from one side to the other. When you're happy with your shape, click the arrow on the video to go to the next step.